guys, back on the road. Got some good news, fixed the problem I had, which was a faulty switch, which was supplying the fan, which keeps the van cool. So I switched that out, and that fixed it. So there was a bit of fist pumping when I was up the mountain earlier. People driving past thinking I'm nuts, but I'm used to that by now, you know. A fairly relaxed border crossing into Italy. I was even able to stop and take a quick video. I jumped in the sea here in Latte and then went for lunch, but there wasn't a huge amount more to see or do in this area. These smallish towns were busy with locals going about their day-to-day business. As the sun was setting, I came across a load of vans parked along the seafront. Getting off this morning from San Pancrazio. That's where the day begins. Time to top up the old diesel, so I'm just trying to find the best places. It's always the case that when you trying to find the cheapest spots, they only take like normally card. Stopped for a little break. The dog's getting hot, as am I. So yeah, man, we're going to carry on hugging this coastline on towards Genoa. Been diving in Italiano?
Sì.
No problem.
Italiano? Sì, italiano.
Yeah, but decir algo en italiano, un mensaje. ¿Cómo se llama?
Rino.
Rino de dónde?
Rino. Io sono qua di Cipressa.
Cipressa.
Sì.
Ah. En la agua, bien? Aquí?
No, fa schifo.
No.
Fogna.
Fogna, no, bien.
No bien.
This guy, legend.
Io faccio il pompiere.
He speaking
super pompiers.
Yeah.
Bomberos.
Bomberos. So, con la mar. We're swimming in this ocean, and he's speaking Italian, and I mean English.
Cipressa qua.
But
Cipressa.
no problem.
San Lorenzo.
We speak from the heart, and it's okay. Much love.
Mare no buono.
No buono. Mucho fogna, no?
Fogna.
Fogna.
Buono,
Yeah, no buono.
No buono.
Hey. Guys, I'm here with Phil.
Hello there.
Phil from Devon. Just bumped into him there in the parking here. Where are we? We both don't even know.
Italy.
We're in Italy. He's got a bit of an issue with his van, and just so happens that I know a guy, so we're going to potentially head to him in Genoa. It's about 3 hours away. I'm sure that there are probably other things around, but he doesn't want to head all the way to the Peugeot dealer in Nice. Is it Nice, the Peugeot dealer?
Yeah.
So, yeah, what is the issue?
I want to travel, carry on through Italy, really.
Yeah, I mean,
rather than turn back.
He said to me there, he's debating going back to England and all that sort of stuff to sort the van, and I'm like, nah, man, keep at it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Keep inspired, keep travelling.
Confidence there.
That's it. It's what it's all about. We lean on each other when we need help. We're there for each other. And a garage local. Spoke to a dude there, and yeah, we're gonna go get this sorted. It's the problem with his AdBlue sensor, so we're gonna go there and sort it. Estamos aquí. Ese chico Carlos es un mecánico o mecánico? No.
Chofer.
Más o menos.
Conductor.
Conductor, pero tiene conocimiento de esa. Nos vamos juntos a un taller cerca, porque él tiene amigo o es un sitio, ¿no? Para arreglar el furgo, porque ya ahora es un poco complicado aquí. Perfecto. So we've been to 4 garages so far.
Yeah.
How are you feeling now? What do you reckon? We're getting to the bottom of it?
Well, this is a Fiat dealer. They're probably. I tried it with a Peugeot dealer, and they said they couldn't look at it for a month.
Wow, there you go. But we're gonna try anyway. We're gonna go to the Fiat dealer and hopefully sort it. Follow these guys on Insta for more info. We managed to get an appointment in the end for Thursday, so to be continued on this one. Just on the beach here with, what's your name?
Birgit.
With Birgit, from Germany, from Bonn. We met yesterday. She just introduced me to a dog who's 21 years old. I'm absolutely flabbergasted. Yeah, man, amazing. Amazing how life brings you in contact with people, and we're just here on the beach. Amazing. Trials and tribulations continue. Not starting this morning, and we've just found this cable here is snapped off, so we've got to work out where this cable's going to. We found this to be the main positive connection for the starter motor. Ow. Covered in oil, man. Covered. Right, ready? Go again, ready?
Yeah, go on.
Truth be told, I don't know what to say, man. I've been working at all day pretty much trying to fix this issue, yeah, it's I don't understand what the issue is, so that's all I can say really. So we're still together, me and Phil.
Yeah.
We're both now, so excuse my French, but yeah, both fans not working.
That's right.
But the spirits are still high, and we keep going.
Yeah.
Anything to add, Phil?
No, we're just going to try and see the sunset, but it's gone a bit cloudy now. So
That just about sums it up, doesn't it?
yeah.
Like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, stay tuned for part 2 of this little adventure.